Welcome to the Engineering Debunked. Here we are going to discuss about IIT interview question. So the question is, does uncorrelated mean independent? For this question, we have to understand what is independent random variable and what is uncorrelated random variable. First, let's understand what is independent random variable. Say there is one class of having some number of students. We are taking two different random variables for mapping their weights and memory power. So let's take one W random variable for mapping their weight. And another random variable M for mapping their memory power. Now, is there any relation between weight and memory power? Can we measure one's IQ by knowing their weight? No, right? Then we can say that these two random variables are totally independent. That one can't affect another random variable. Mathematically, we can describe this by the formula expected value of W into M equals to expected value of W into expected value of M. Now we will go on uncorrelated random variable. We have to start with covariance. Covariance is a measure of how changes in one variable are associated with changes in a second random variable. A positive covariance means that two random variables vary proportionally. As an example, let's take an example of temperature and selling of cold drink. So here is temperature and selling of cold drink. So as temperature increases in summer, selling of cold drink also increases, right? And as temperature decreases, selling of cold drink is also decreases. So here is positive covariance. Now what is negative covariance? Negative covariance means they vary inversely. As an example, selling of woolen clothes and temperature. So temperature, here is temperature and selling of woolen clothes. So as temperature decreases, selling of woolen clothes also increases. And as temperature increases, selling of woolen clothes decreases. This is called negative covariance. Mathematically, we can define covariance by covariance of X and Y equals to expected value of X into Y minus expected value of X into expected value of Y. But covariance is not sufficient because let's say covariance is 5. We can't say it is closely related or not. For that, correlation coefficient exists. Correlation coefficient takes values from -1 to 1. Rho equals to 0 means they are uncorrelated. And rho equals to 1 says that they are highly related, or we can say that both random variables are same. Mathematically, we can define rho by covariance of X and Y divided by standard deviation of X into standard deviation of Y. To prove our question, let's take a look back To the example we have taken earlier, weight random variable and memory power random variable. Both are independent random variable. Now covariance. W and M equals to expected value of W into M minus expected value of W into expected value of M. Here expected value of W into M of independent random variable are expected value of W into expected value of M minus expected value of W into expected value of M. So this term will be 0. As I have described correlation coefficient earlier, it is proportional to covariance of W and M. So if covariance of W and M equals to 0, then correlation coefficient also will be 0. So we can conclude that always independent random variable will be uncorrelated. So if random variable is independent, then surely it will be uncorrelated. Let's take another example. We have two random variables x and y. There are four possible outcomes: 1 and 0, 0 and 1, minus 1 and 0, and 0 and minus 1. These two outcomes have y equals to 0 and these two outcomes have x equals to 0. Here relation between x and y is xy equals to 0. So we can say that expected value of xy will be 0. And here expected value of x and expected value of y are also 0. So covariance of these two random variables will be 0, and so correlation coefficient will be also 0. So these two random variables are uncorrelated. Random variable, right? But is it dependent random variable? If I say x equals to 1 is given, then can we say about what is value of y? Yes, of course, we can say that y will be 0. So these two random variables are dependent on each other. So we proved that independent variables are always uncorrelated, but converse is not true. If you are interested, then you can also take an example where y equals to x square. It turns out to be uncorrelated but dependent random variable. By that we can even conclude another statement that says if there is linear dependence between two random variables, then it will surely be correlated as y equals to z plus x. Then y and x will be correlated random variable. But if there is non-linear dependence like y equals to z x square or y square plus x square equals to 1, then it may or may not be correlated. So I tried to cover all concepts for independent random variable and correlation coefficient. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section. Like our video, share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel Engineering Debunked. Thank you very much for watching our videos.